Winter storm watch in effect from tonight through Thursday evening. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches is expected. The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of northern Michigan, including the following counties: in Michigan, Emmett, Sheboygan, Presque Isle, Charlevoix, Leelanau, Antrim, Otsego, Montmorency, Alpena, Benzie, Grand Traverse, Kalkaska, Crawford, Oscoda, and Alcona, effective this evening from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tornadoes, hail to 2.5 inches in diameter, thunderstorm wind gusts to 80 miles per hour, and dangerous lightning are possible in these areas. The tornado watch area is approximately along and 45 statute miles north and south of a line from Leland to 10 miles south of Alpena. For a complete depiction of the watch, go to www.weather.gov. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Gaylord has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from 3 miles north of Leland extending northwest 39 nautical miles, Lake Michigan from near Mackinac City extending northwest 28 nautical miles, Grand Traverse Bay extending 15 miles inland, Little Traverse Bay, and Sturgeon Bay, until 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe squall line capable of producing waterspouts was located from 42 nautical miles northwest of Northport to 4 nautical miles east of Naubinway, moving southeast at 60 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 70 knots, and large destructive hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Large hail could result in personal injury and significant structural damage. Locations impacted include Hog Island, Garden Island, High Island, Beaver Island, Gull Island, North Fox Island, and South Fox Island. The squall line has a history of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.